ClickUp task syncing issues often stem from integration glitches, Google or Apple Calendar, permissions, filters, or cache problems. This affects views like Calendar or external syncs. Fixes take 5 to 15 minutes. Test after each step. Verify due dates and assignments. Ensure tasks have due dates and times, card level, not checklists. Sync only shows assigned tasks. Check Assigned to Me filter in Calendar view. Edit a test task and refresh. Check sync settings for external calendars. In ClickUp, go to Workspace. Apps, Integrations, for example Google Calendar. Toggle calendars on or off. Select tasks and lists to sync. Disconnect and reconnect account. Old events may need manual deletion in Google or Apple Calendar. Clear filters and refresh. In Calendar or Timeline view, click Filters, Reset to Default. Hard refresh, Ctrl+R, or switch devices or browsers. Clear cache and re-login. Browser, Settings, Privacy, Clear data. App, force close, reinstall. Log out and into ClickUp. Disable conflicting power-ups. Board power-ups. Remove and re-add calendar or automations, like Butler. Contact support, email help@ClickUp.com with workspace URL, screenshots and plan details. Free limits recurring tasks.